Hello everyone, welcome to InfoComm 2025. My name is Gus Harrelou, National Sales Manager with Cartoni USA. If you're not familiar with Cartoni, we've been in business for 90 years this year, manufacturing quality camera support equipment. Everything is still done in-house in Rome, Italy, and for this show in particular, we're showcasing our Lifto Pro Series. It is a elevating column unit with our SDS tripod that you can work with any PTZ camera controller, and you can control this bad boy through the controller of choice. And right now we have it set up where the trigger point will get you your elevating. So this product, depending on which version you go with, can get you up to 10 or 15 feet high. If you want more information, please visit us at www.cartoni.com.